Wagwan, my lovely taquitos, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making some salt mackerel rendang. Yes, and I'm gonna make the real one with the real coconut, and there it is over there, and my lovely salt mackerel. So here I have my seasonings. I have some sweet pepper, some tomato, onions, scallion, scotch bonnet, and this is a real hot scotch bonnet, some garlic, about 3 crushed seeds of pimento, just 3, and a little sprig of thyme, you know, a little flavor. And here I have my garlic powder, my black pepper, my Mrs. Dash table blend. Now I'm just oxing out my coconut, and you know, simple thing, you just push that in and poops, that gone up and that gone out. So yeah, just doing the rest. So I'm about to boil the salt from my salt mackerel because it's very salty. And here I'm just removing this slimy thing. I mean, if you eat it, go ahead, but frankly, boo boo, why would you? So I don't eat it, so I'm just cleaning this off. Now I'm just picking it up, and I'm picking it smaller than how I would usually do it if I was just frying it up in some seasonings. But you know, you want it to really run down. So yeah, you're doing it small, old time grandma way. And here is the finished product, and yeah, I'm gonna leave the middle bone because if you're gonna eat it, how come? So I'm just adding my seasonings to some coconut oil, and I'm going to just stir until it gets translucent. Then I'm gonna add my salt mackerel. So now I'm just adding in my salt mackerel, and I'm just gonna stir and combine the seasoning in with the salt mackerel. Let it soak up some of the nice seasoning. Yeah. Now I'm just adding in my coconut milk. This is so delicious, man. I can already taste it. Yo, trust me, this like a bad. So now I'm just coming in with my seasonings that I had showed you at the beginning of the video. And I'm just gonna stir that around, you know, and taste. And if it needs more salt, I'm just going to add some Maggi all-purpose. At this point, I also added in some compound butter, and if you want to see that recipe, just click this right above. So yeah, I'm just gonna let this simmer for about 20 to 30 minutes on low, you know, make it get that real rundown simmer and something. And you're supposed to see oil coming onto the top and that little coagulated looking thing. So yeah, just remember to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.